was at home, and I said, okay, let me drive to the office to do something. So I got into the car and I drove to the gate. So when I got to the gate, the askari there, I thought he didn't see me. So I opened the window, and told him, please. And then he didn't open the gate. And then I stepped out and asked him, my friend, what's the problem? I want to go, Nini. And he said, I'm sorry, I cannot open the gate. I told him why. He said, no, it's not right, and maybe let me call the security guy. We come from a background that people are used to games and quarrels and divisions and complaints. Kenyans must get out of that mindset. When you go to church, you tell people, let's stand up so that we sing a hymn. And everybody stands up and we sing a hymn. You tell them we are going to sing stanza number this, and everybody goes to that page. You tell them it's time to pray, and everybody bends their heads for prayer. In politics, sometimes you say, let us stand to sing a hymn. Others sit down intentionally, and many of those things. So there will be noises here and there, people out of ignorance sometimes, out of malice. We will keep our team, telling them, focusing them on what will change Kenya, and removing little petty stories and assertions